him. I hate him so much.
Yeah.
Come on, B, represent.
I was stuck in class.
I just hate his room because he's in it.
Yeah, right. I like the classroom. I just don't like him.
Kind of makes you want to go all over the floor.
Especially in third period.
Make him, like throw
You
up
have
and then make
PhD
him
geography?
clean it. Huh?
You have PhD geography?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and then they had the freaking limestone. Never mind.
Oh, yeah, just go to his,
The limestone statues during third.
They go over here at the table.
You don't remember
Uh-uh.
the guy that they recruited to build the pyramid thing?
Oh yeah, I was there,
He
stupid.
was,
We were
I
watching
know,
the movie.
but he was standing there, right there with his statues.
Oh yeah, and then like it
Everyone
zoomed
was
out
all-
and he had like his hand on a boob. I was like, what the hell?
That'd be funny if he was like.
Yeah, he's all grabbed. He's rubbing the nipple. He's all.
He's like.
I don't know where that.
So stupid.
I want to look scientific. I'll go.
You already do look scientific.
You look scientific.
Yeah,
You look
she
like
should
a
get that
failed
off.
experiment.
Yeah, sure. Come with me. Come with me. Beatrice, come with me. To the band hall. Come on. Come on.
No, I'm mad at you for saying that. What you said right now.
What I do? What I do?
Mine's there. You have proof. Come on, I don't want to go.